Cindy Reed with Bressi Ranch Realty. I'm standing in front of our listing here in Bressi Ranch at 6333 Heritage Drive. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3092 square feet. It has a great feature of having a bedroom and bath down. And today, Skip and I would like to give you guys a tour of the home.
This is the entryway, and this is our Matterport 3D walkthrough, and we're going to go ahead and guide you through this tour here. It's going to be a hybrid. We're going to cut over from the walkthrough into video. So this is our entryway at 6333 Heritage Drive. You can see this is to the right of the front door as you walk in. And this is a formal living room off to the right-hand side. So this is the formal living room. It's right off the entryway. And this room is set up initially as a combo room. So there is a bonus room in the back here. It's been used everything from a library to a bar to a play area for the kids. These owners put a doorway in the back, so it actually helps with the flow of the whole floor plan. And in this case, it's used as an office, and you'll see here in a second how they've closed it off, but it could be an optional 5th bedroom. Okay, we're back in Matterport, and this is our view from the formal living room looking back over here into this bonus room, or, you know, sometimes modeled as a library, and in this case, used as an office.
So this is a room that's right off the formal living area, and they are currently using it as an office, but it can also be used as a 5th bedroom if need be. It also has a doorway that has access that goes directly to the kitchen or to the other downstairs bathroom and bedroom.
We are going to walk from this area here, so formal living room, into the office. We're going to go through the door here into the hallway. Now, from this location, this is where the video is going to pick up here. We are going to walk from this end of the entryway, so the back of the entryway, down this hallway, and we are going to take a look at the downstairs bathroom, which is a full bath. And we are going to look at the downstairs bedroom as well. And here is our bedroom. Okay, so this is the downstairs bedroom. When you come down this hallway, you have a couple different options. Either you could come through the study or the library that we showed you earlier. Leads into this hallway. You have a bath down. It does have a shower. And then this leads you to the 4th bedroom. So 4th bedroom, full bath, and then you have the office to the other side of the hallway. So we're back at the entryway where Cindy is going to tell us about the formal dining room.
So here we have the formal dining room, and it is a really great size room. It has plenty of windows for that natural light to come in, and it also has direct access to the kitchen.
So this is your kitchen, great room combo with nook and large family room. And this is where Cindy's going to take it over.
So as you enter the kitchen, you'll find it has a really nice size island, double oven, and an eat-in breakfast nook.
So we're going to move from the kitchen past the nook area and into the great room or the family room.
So we're in the great room. It is right off the kitchen and has a ton of natural light that filters through these windows, and has a doorway that leads right out to the backyard as well.
Okay, we're going to leave the family room and we're going to make our way out to the backyard. So this is the backyard, and you do have direct access that goes right out to the alley. Your 3-car tandem garage is right here to the right as you come off of the back door. And you have access here to the garage as well. And Cindy's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
So we're in the backyard and it's right off of the great room. It is low maintenance and private. It has artificial turf and mature fruit trees.
Okay, we're back inside and we are going to head up the stairs.
When you come to the top of the stairs, you'll find this great room. It's a little tech center and it's perfect for home office work or for kids to do homework in. Okay, at the top of the stairs, when you go to the right, you have your laundry room, and then this hallway leads to the master bedroom. This is a good sized master retreat, tons of natural light that comes through here. And they have these awesome built-ins over here on the far wall. This leads to the master bath. Good sized master bath. Vanity here, 2 sinks, a soaking tub, and a redone shower. Definitely on trend, and definitely a spa-like feel to this master bath. Over here is your walk-in closet, and they have custom built-ins. So we're going to leave the master bedroom. We're going to head down the hall here, and we'll look at bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. So when you come up the stairs on the second floor, you'll find bedrooms 2 and 3, and they are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. And that's the end of our tour. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you out here back down the stairs. And then back out toward the front door.